This is one of the many hydro dams. Today we have taken the train up the river Nidalven to check out the lake called Nelaug. And that is where I have my boat. So we're gonna check out if the boat has survived the winter. Well, now we are at the lake. And along this lake there's an abandoned railway that will take me to the place that I left my boat last year. As you can see, this water is highly regulated because of hydropower production. That means that the water levels go up and down according to the needs of the industry and electric production. Now it's extremely low. I haven't seen this low before. All this used to be the waterbed, but now it's all drained up. Maybe because there was little snow in the mountain this winter. That has the effect of not filling up the magazine in the spring flood. Hope we get some rain this summer. Yeah, it looks like someone didn't get the message about they draining down the water. Good luck getting that boat out without any help. But we'll see if I can get my boat into the water. I suspect I'm gonna have a little bit of a trouble. I'm glad I just have a much smaller boat than this. Don't worry, there ain't any trains coming today. The last train going on this line was in 2018, I have been told. And before that there was some lumber traffic until the year 2000. But earlier this track was built for going up into the mountains. But that line was for personal traffic, transporting milk and timber. But when the milk transport moved on to trailers and cars, the need for the line disappeared, so there was not any economic viability left. So it was closed in the late 60s, early 70s, like in many other local tracks. So that's my boat. Not much, but it does the job. Well, the plan was to take the boat into the sea, get it out of the island, get the engine that's out there, and take the boat along the land there, along the shore, find another place to anchor closer to the rail station. But as you probably can see, there ain't much sea. It's all dried up. But the guy at the cabin that has been so nice to lend me this place to have my boat, he told me that they are expecting more water next week. So I'm probably gonna come back here and sort this out with a little bit more water in the lake. So no boating this time. I have to wait for more water in the lake. So in a couple of weeks maybe. So for now, just going to take the bike back to the train station and head on home. Well, seems that the train has been cancelled. No more trains today. That's fun. Well, I brought my excellent bike, and just only a couple of hours down to the nearest bus stop, so not a problem. Let's go. Now crossing the county line. This is Telemark's Road. Whew. It's not raining at least. I'm getting closer to civilization. Whew. Been riding for 2 hours now. I am out of shape, I think. A little bit more to go. And we're in another county. I am so tired, I'm getting dizzy. But view is always kind of nice. There's that. So all along this road I have seen many houses like this, abandoned and left to rot. We just have too much money in this country. Even though I'm tired now, I gotta show you this. So this lake right here is actually regulated. Not for hydroelectric power, but it's meant to feed the ironworks that is situated further down this valley. So they can save up the water and use it when they need to. In Norway, this is called this type of dam is called a stem. The water from the lake is fed into an aqueduct that feeds a hydro-powered hammer that beats impurities out of the molten iron. This is Nes Ironwork, one of the most important iron production facilities in old Norway. I'm going to revisit this place in another episode. Excellent place. It's a museum now. Getting closer. I'm not at the bus stop yet. Last stretch of road. That was a long ride, but there you can see that's the highway, and that's the goal for the bus home. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next episode.